Now we will see what is a rectangle.
zoom कर रहा है.
Now a rectangle is having 4 edges. That is, it is having 4 sides. Now you can see the sides here. Side AB, side BC, and side CD. A rectangle has 4 edges. That is 4 sides. Now,
Excuse me, teacher.
yes. Yes.
हाँ. टीचर ट्रायंगल के बाद क्या है?
Only
टीचर ट्रायंगल का
a triangle. Okay. And the name of the figure is triangle. And the sides it is having, see how many sides it is having? 1, 2, and 3. It is having 3 sides. And how many corner does it has? How many points corner does it has? 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
3.
So it is having 3 corners. It is having 3 sides and it is having 3 corners, right?
3.
Now
3.
now rectangle, it is having 4 sides.
लिख तू 3 point and 3 corner या लिख
edges.
3 लिखा हो. लिखने का है. तू क्या लिखा? Hello.
Yes. Now
Hello.
the point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. Now where the and vertex D. Now in the figure angle A, in this figure A, B, C, and D are the vertices. So, and here we are having as side AB, side BC, side CD, and side AC. It is having 4 vertex A, B, C, and D. The points where the 2 lines join each other, that point is called as a vertex. So vertex A, B, C, and D. So rectangle has 4 vertex and it has 4 sides. Now the opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Now the opposite side AD and side BC, they are having equal sides. Suppose the measure of the side is 4, so the measure of side BC will also be 4. Then opposite side AB and DC. Suppose if the measure is 5, so the opposite side also will be 5. So opposite sides of the rectangle have same measurement. Side AD and side BC are equal in measurement, and side AB and side DC are also equal in their measurement, equal in length. Now all the angles of the rectangles are right angle. Now we will see angle DAB. It is a right angle. So all the sides, all the angles of a rectangle are right angle. So a rectangle is also called as a right angle quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it is having 4 any figure which is having 4 sides. Any closed figure which is having 4 sides is called as a quadrilateral. Now having a square is having 4 sides and 4 vertices, same as a rectangle. Side SR, side RN, side MP, and side PS. These are 4 sides of a square. These are the 4 sides of the square. Now this line and this line are joining at P. So point P, point F, are equal in length. And in square, all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. This is the difference between a rectangle and a square. And here uh, All the angles are right angle. All angles of rectangle are right angle. And here also all angles of rectangle are right angle. Okay, now we will see in the figure. It is having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, in square also it is having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what we have seen, 4 vertices. A rectangle is having 4 vertices. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is having 4 vertices. In a square also it is having 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is having 4 vertices. Now the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. So this 1 and this 3, these two sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in length. This 2 and this 4, it is equal in length. And here all sides are equal in length. ये चारों भी length, ये चारों भी जो sides है ना वो चारों भी length equal है. All sides are equal in length. And the angle which is formed is 90 degree. It is a right angle. Here in square also all the sides are right angle. Understood? Rectangle and square. Now we will see a triangle. What is a triangle? Now a triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. Now here we can see it is having 3 sides. Side YR, side RL and side YL. These are the 3 sides of a triangle. Okay. Then point Y,
Yes.
point Y, point R and point L. These are the vertices. Now see the next. Now we will see complete the table here. Okay. Now what is the name of this figure? It is a the name of the figure is a triangle.